Hello, my name is John Reynolds. I'm an associate professor of computing and information systems here in the School of Computing, and this is my lab. This is a combination lab that is used for other classes, and we have our convertible computers here in the center. Those computers where the monitors are up and down depending on whether you want to lecture or you want to have the students working in their computers. All of these computers have a campus lab image on them, so all the software that a student can use in any of the labs on campus is also available in here. To illustrate where the computing comes from or the history, we've got some of the boards up here that try to show the students where the processors come from the beginning until the outside format really hasn't changed much. We did the same thing with secondary storage, with video cards, motherboards showing how things have moved from discrete chips to integrated processors. The dedicated computers over here, these are computers that are used by the students in CIS 230. And so because these convertible computers have monitors that have two connectors on them, we can leave a cable there, we can bring a computer over here, we bring a keyboard, a mouse, and a power cord. We can plug them in on the desktops, and we can use the monitors here, and then that way the students can use those computers over here. And the first thing they do the first week of class is we take these computers, they take them apart, they learn to identify the parts, they put them back together, and then they actually have to get the computer running again, and then they look at the firmware to see how the settings are set up inside the computer, such as how the computers boot and what kind of memory and processor and other items are inside the computer. These computers are also used in the last half of the semester when students are, first of all, we have them install the latest Ubuntu operating system. So again, we'll take the computers and put them over here, but there's no disassembly. They're using them to actually learn how to install an operating system on a physical computer. After that, they also learn how to securely wipe a computer and wipe the secondary storage. And following that, they are given these computers as an option if they want to use them for their software project, which is where they're asked to compare Linux distributions. They're supposed to compare the installation, the features, and compare those things with what the distribution claims it does. So the students are going to evaluate the claims, they're going to evaluate usability, and they're going to evaluate how easy is this to install, and is this something that a beginner should use, and so forth. Students have access to this lab 24/7 via our key card system here in the school, and it allows them to come in and finish labs they don't get time to finish during lab time, or it allows them to come in and make up labs for any that they may have missed during the semester.